Rename your .epub to .zip. Unzip it and open the folder. Find content.opf or package.opf. Open it in a text editor. If your EPUB files version is 3, you may not upload it to Playbooks. I tried to upload a few EPUB 3 books to my Playbooks app, but none of them work. Converting the file to EPUB 2 usually fixes the upload problem. Install Calibre from calibre-ebook.com. Calibre is also available in the default repositories of most Linux distributions, so you can install it using your default package manager. Next, open the EPUB book in Calibre. Right-click the book, edit metadata, then download metadata and covers. Next, choose Convert Books. Select Output Format as EPUB. Under the EPUB Output section, make sure the EPUB version is set to 2. Save and upload the new file to Playbooks, which is the version 2 that we converted. Your book should appear in your library within a minute. I tried this method on multiple EPUBs. It worked immediately. The book appeared in my library with the right title, author, and cover art.